On my 43 GPW segment today, I want to talk a little bit about batteries, okay? Some of you purists out there, you want to put the original battery back in. Well, I've got one. It's a reproduction 6-volt because I want to keep this system. It's all the way down to auto light on the front cover. And the folks up in Virginia that have these batteries made, again, all of the caps on this is actually a battery that you don't have to add water, but down to the reproduction, you don't put anything in it. It's just, it looks that way. So it is actually a maintenance-free battery that looks like it's not. So again, it has the auto light stamped on the front. It's 6-volt. I bought it to put back in there. Not that I'm going to show it, but for all the critics out there, that's okay. I went the extra mile. Now, is the 6-volt battery like this the only one you can put back in these vehicles? No, it's not. They're Optima, they're Napa, there's all kinds of different batteries, but I just chose to get a reproduction auto light. And so if you want to know more about that, send me an email note and I'll be more than happy to share it with you. Well, today I want to talk to you. I just got my box in from Dan up at Beechwood Canvas up in New Jersey, and I ordered the complete deluxe set of canvas replacement, which is, well, basically it's the top, it's all the seat covers, it's the side rests, and again, this is all good quality stuff. And so I'm going to put all of that back on to include the straps for the door straps. I mean, the back seats all here. Everything is here in one complete kit. And Dan and all the folks up there, and I know that all the folks in the business, they understand there are different companies out there who make different things. But again, I've always been very, very pleased with the quality and the service of Dan and the folks at Beechwood Canvas. So again, check them out. And I know that Beechwood Canvas, if you're looking for either a part for a military vehicle or you need some canvas for whatever it is, I know Dan can probably help you.